There's a lot of these craft kits on the market these days, but is this worth the money?
Hi art friends!
Hello art friends!
Who is ready to use another crafting kit?
What is this?
Suncatchers, and this was sent by my friend Tyler, so thank you
thanks,
so
Tyler.
much, Tyler.
Can we talk about on the front of the box it says 100% Klutz certified, and I'm a bit of a klutz.
I think that's the name of the brand. Now it is a heat wave in the UK at the moment.
It's hot.
But we have no sunshine for like the scheduled next few days, which is
Great.
great for sun catchers, but we will try and get some aesthetic shots of these
whatever we make.
in the light.
Yeah.
Now, I will be a lovely hand model. Now,
Let me look.
oh no!
Bears!
Basically, this has come with, there's some sort of like kit on the back, and there's like a book attached to the front.
I like that.
And the book, it's very generous that it lets you have a look through it without having
Before
to
you
purchase
buy
it.
it, that's awesome.
It has a bunch of like stencils here for you to like trace along with.
Oh, that's cute.
So that you can like copy and try and make these. But since we're artists, I thought it might be fun for us to have a go at drawing like our own designs.
Oh yeah, screw them. We're gonna make our own. Yeah. But that is cute. I do
Yeah,
like
I
that.
do. I appreciate that, especially the gummy bear. Ooh, shiny things. We have got some kind of like a golden metallic straw over here. Oh, we've got a couple of beads and some little like suction cups.
Oh, and string.
Puff paint.
And these must be the, in quotations, stained glass, right?
Yeah, because it's obviously
It's not real glass.
it's a no glass, thick stained glass.
Okay. Look at all that glass. Oh,
Yeah, so it's like
that's
got
like
the see-through aesthetic.
that reminds me of like, you know when it rains and there's oil on the road? It looks like oil. Yeah, I'm
some,
super
like-
excited because like the whole process and everything. Both of us are complete newbies to this, so
Different colours.
I love all these.
I have to start reading some of these instructions because I am clueless.
Yeah,
to
look,
it
what
is
the heck is this for?
To cast spells, it's all wand. Zoop! Zoop!
Stop.
Hey, you.
So, things that this kit does not include that you will need. Tape,
We used washi tape because look how aesthetic it is.
a ballpoint pen,
Frog optional.
and some scissors. Check out how
No, be
chaotic this
careful with
pen
the
is.
frog. Oh, God. Fun fact, this frog, when we had an electrician over, this frog nearly blinded the electrician.
It's almost broke my computer
Yeah,
screen a few times.
this thing is a weapon.
Setting up your space, cover your work area with paper or plastic sheet. We're on a bed, what can you do? If you do get paint on yourself, wash it off with soap and water. I can handle that. Puff paint can stain fabrics and furniture. Oh, I'm having flashbacks of the time when you got ink all over the bed.
No.
Do you remember the ink blot video?
I do remember the ink blot video, yeah.
Oh no!
Ah, no, jeez!
I knew you'd do that.
So how do I start? I want to start.
So we cut away the book, that's step one, sorted.
Gather all the materials, we did that.
So I guess the next step really is for us to sketch a design.
I think that's what we've got to do, yeah, because it looks like the rest of this guide is following the designs that are in the book.
In the book, yeah.
But we're making our own. Now, I want to go first because as soon as I seen how these are made, inspiration hit me like a truck.
Oh my gosh, I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet.
Oh, well, let me inspire you, honey.
Oh, thank you.
So here we go. I think you guys will probably be able to guess what it's going to be pretty quickly.
A crocodile.
They have big butts. And again, I'll refine the design a little bit. They have little curly ears.
You're going to do a guinea pig.
Yeah, I thought it'd be perfect. One with different coloured like patches.
Oh,
Like
yeah,
patches?
Like a stained glass pig.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So, and you can have like a. I like it, the big triangle because Creston has a big. I'll put him on screen. Creston has a big triangle on his bum.
You would call it his Dorito triangle.
Maybe like a wavy bit on his bum here because Patches kind of has one of those. I might just change the face a little bit, but I do like the idea of keeping like large patches for like lots of colour. I do like that.
Okay, I've started to sketch.
Has inspiration hit? Are you going to draw like a fairy or something?
I'm going for such like a circular design, which is so dangerous because I have a tremor.
No, but like, I think the key to this, from looking, I had a little look at the book and stuff, I think the key to this is keeping the shapes as basic as possible.
Yeah. Now, I feel like it might not be worthwhile me putting legs in, because there'd be like little stick legs. Or I could use the string to have like the little legs. I quite like that idea.
Oh my god. That's amazing, little stringy leg.
Still haven't decided if I prefer him as like a full-on circle, or if I like him with more of like the shark fin shape.
I should show you, updated my design. He looks a little bit like a crest and bumble hybrid, but I figured with the stripes, he would look a little bit, I think the stripes would look a little bit better, in my opinion anyway. Don't worry, I'm just sticking tape to myself.
Although you meant to stick it to your legs.
It doesn't matter if you've got fabric upon your person.
Rules.
It also said jeans. You're only put jeans on as well? If I'm to follow these instructions to the letter, honey, I'm supposed to put the sticky face up like this.
Yes.
I am to apply less sticky tape to the one side of the design like this.
Indeed.
And then apply what I haven't done yet. Then, with your cut out pieces, you apply it to the sticky area.
Oh yeah, because you haven't traced over the shapes.
Nope. I'm going to trace over some shapes now. I'm nervous. I like this one for his main body. I've got a trusty biro, because that's another thing it said that you have to use. Strictly a ballpoint pen. And I'm not entirely sure why, but maybe it just applies to it the best. I don't know. So just his outline for this one.
Do you have to do like a base for the entire thing?
I think so.
I might try and do mine without a base and we'll compare like the two methods.
Valid? Yeah, let's do it. What I might do is leave his face in like the oily sort of off-white, but give him some nice coloured ears, I think. So again, we'll get nice and close to the edge.
I know that this isn't like the most relatable reference to refer to, but you know, because my family do a lot of like live music kind of things.
Yeah.
Throughout childhood, there was always tons of this clear plastic stuff around, you know, for the stage.
Oh, for the lighting,
yeah.
Of course,
So
yeah.
It makes me feel really nostalgic for like when my family were living around me.
Right, now I have my shapes, and this is the part, oh god, you have to like line it up.
Oh wow.
That went much better than what I expected it to.
No, it's not sticky, is it? Because the bottom thing's sticky and you've put that shape over it.
Oh yeah, it's not. Oh sh. Oh god, I did not think that through. I mean, oh my god, the one time I do like a perfect like
No.
a perfect thing and I need to cut it out. It's so sticky. My guinea pig, no. It's so sticky. Why won't it come off? No. Oh my god, it doesn't fit now. Get off. There we go. Oh, thank god. Oh my god. I don't remember what pieces go where. I'm sorry, guinea pig. I really tried. What? It doesn't fit. It's like I'm trying to put a square peg in a round hole. It just doesn't fit. It doesn't go that way. Maybe if I flip it over, does it go this way? He kind of looks like a bumblebee, doesn't he? The next step is to use the beautiful puff paint.
I haven't even cut out my shapes or anything yet.
I'm having fun.
Okay, can't argue with that. And I'm not sure how long it takes for like puff paint to dry.
Neither do I.
So careful to not like smudge your hand through it.
The book does say that it's easiest and best to work inside out.
Be interesting seeing how I handle this part with my tremor.
Oh, I think, honey, I haven't exactly set the bar very high here. I can't even bring myself to say anything because I'm concentrating so much. I want it to look cute. I want to do a good job. I really want to do a good job. And then what I could do is just do some little dots, maybe for whiskers. Does that look like a guinea pig? What the hell does this look like? Sometimes the ambition works, and other times you get this.
I'm gonna use the edge of this to
Oh my god, yes.
my advantage.
Especially if you're gonna do it with someone like me.
You made it look so easy.
No, it's because I'm heavy. Did you see what I created? You know, Can I just talk about as well? Look how beautifully intricate those are. You've cut those out, like, beautifully.
Oh, well, you know all about my passion project, the Rimsies.
That's it, but look how beautiful those are cut out. So here we go. She's all primed and ready. Oh, well done, jeez. You showed me how it's really done. You know what? I think yours would look great even without puffy paint. I think I really screwed mine up. Look how cute that is. Also looks very cottagecore with the washi tape that we chose. I do like that. Oh. Who is this?
I learnt from a lot of y'all, like, errors.
My errors. Well, glad someone is.
I've kept all my ships, like, the right way around.
Oh my god.
It helps.
Why didn't I do that? Oh, that's looking so good. I love yours. When you sketched it out in pencil, it just looked so nice.
Okay, there's a few things that are off about it, but let me turn it around and show you.
Look how nice that is. I love that. That is so cute.
I'm kind of nervous that the puffy paint might, like, ruin the aesthetic of it.
That's what I mean. Like, the way that they do it and the way that you've made yours, you could technically now just cut it out and not use the puffy paint. And to be honest, kind of wish I did that.
Unless I just went round, like, the very...
Do the outline. Yeah. Ooh.
Okay.
I love this.
For this.
I love this. This is like the only episode of Doodle Day where I followed the rules to a T and you've broken them. I love this.
It feels like drawing with icing.
Yes. Yeah, the consistency it's a lot thicker than what I thought it would be.
I will leave this overnight because the puffy paint's going to need a chance to dry off.
Yeah.
Hopefully we might get like a teeny bit of sunshine tomorrow because like we need to hurry up and get like this video like edited and uploaded.
Please end me, Daddy!
No, don't say that. Pros and cons time.
Oh boy.
Let's start with cons. Plastic can be sharp when you're cutting out, so if you're like a little kid or something, get an adult. Number two, I would say the instructions were a little confusing to follow at times, but we did get there eventually.
We persevered.
3, the puffy paint can be difficult to control.
Squeezy bottle's probably not the best, but I think Steph did a great job.
Number 4, you need to provide your own scissors, pen and tape. Whereas I see these as minor issues because most crafty people probably already own these.
Very true, yeah.
Pros are, this book comes with a ton of designs to use.
That's true.
Number 2, you can also design your own patterns, so if you're a creative person who doesn't want to follow someone else's tutorial, you can make up your own.
It's a great kit if you're stubborn.
It's a chance to experiment with art supplies that you might not usually use.
Very true for both of us.
And number 4, it was a lot of fun. We genuinely had a lot of fun with this.
So basically, I would agree, this goes for about $20/15, and I would say it is worth it.
If you've enjoyed this video, why not check out this Crayola video on screen, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you next time for another Doodle Date.
Doodle Date!